Sir Gio, okay, anong difference ng brand? Pero I know the brand. XMB and Metformin. Okay. Sige. The G, anong generic name niya? It is empagliflozin plus linagliptin. Okay. Compare that to metformin. So empagliflozin is a drug, combination drug, dual acting, meaning there are two drugs or two components in one pill. It's usually, ngayon kasi sa guidelines, we recommend na to start two medications, lalo na kung let's say mataas yung risk of developing complications. Si metformin pa rin naman binibigyan natin as first line na medication for type 2 diabetes. The difference is, magkaiba sila ng mechanism of action. So yung 2-in-1 na pill, like let's start first with empagliflozin. So empagliflozin is a SGLT2 inhibitor. Ang kailangan nilang maintindihan dyan, ang ginagawa niya sa katawan, pinapaihi niya yung excess na asukal mo. Okay? Para may labas mo sa ihi mo. Kaya may risk din ng mga patients na magkaroon ng UTI. Kaya dapat maghugas, okay, after umihi. Kasi may sugar, matamis ang ihi. Linagliptin, it is the cousin of sitagliptin, which is your DPP4 inhibitor. Okay, again, it is an insulin secretagogue. So it helps push your body produce more insulin, and at the same time, it inhibits DPP4 where it preserves your natural GLP and GIP. So maganda yung combination kasi ano yun, it helps push more on being more exposed to insulin, at the same time flush out excess sugar. Yun si empagliflozin and linagliptin, aka Glixambi. Si metformin naman, marami naman pangalan yan sa market. Pero again, this is not sponsored whatsoever. I'm just explaining the drugs. Okay guys, baka mapagalitan ako. Metformin, kasi pinost kasi yung brand. Metformin, it is an insulin sensitizer. It's a bigonide. The exact mechanism of action, wala pa siyang full say, pero it's very efficient in controlling blood sugar. The main caveat ng metformin is it helps sensitize your tissues para madaling pumasok yung insulin at the same time madaling pumasok yung glucose sa tissues like your muscle, your brain, any tissue that uses glucose for energy. Okay? So either of the two, those are two different type of drugs with two different type of mechanisms, but they are good in controlling glucose levels for diabetes. Okay? Hopefully may nakuha kayong lesson dyan. Well, huwag nyo nang i-comment yung brand name, baka mamaya pagalitan ako. Anyway, again, this is Doc Chris, your online family doctor, making medicine easy for you to have a healthy life.